The Chef IQ Smart Pressure Cooker, the leading smart pressure cooker of 2024. Integrating an internet connection with your pressure cooker opens up endless possibilities for automation, global recipes, and seamless control through an app. The Chef IQ Smart Cooker stands out with its impressive features and functionality. With over 300 cooking presets, Chef IQ ensures variety in your meals, accessible through an interactive touchscreen. This command center allows you to measure ingredients using the built-in scale and program the cooker to release pressure at the end of a cooking cycle. Additionally, the Chef IQ app extends these controls to your smartphone or tablet, letting you monitor and adjust settings remotely. Despite its 6-liter capacity, which might be small for some, the Chef IQ Smart Cooker compensates with a wealth of features. It offers various cooking methods, including pressure cooking, steaming, slow cooking, frying, sautéing, and sous vide. The built-in scale helps keep recipes precise. With over 600 guided recipes and instructional videos, this model is a home cook's dream. The accessories included are thoughtfully designed, and the basket features a self-standing handle that stays secure and its handle folds neatly. The stand has 2 handles for easy insertion and removal, and its legs are tall enough to keep food elevated from any liquid at the pot's bottom. Packed with features, this pressure cooker smart interface makes accessing functions simple via the front panel or apps. The main screen offers options like pressure cook, brown fry, steam, slow cook, and more. Thumbs up! Just a quick note. If you're interested in any of the products, I've gone ahead and updated the description below with links to get you the best deals available right now. So make sure to check those out for the most current prices and offers.